All right, let's go on to lesson number 3. Our next lesson is flight instruments. You'll need to understand them to help you fly safety. You'll learn how to tell how fast, how high, and in what direction you're flying. Okay, let's join our instructor for the lesson.
Let's finish up this lesson with an overview of basic attitude instrument flying. You remember from your instrument flying studies that the different instruments can be broken down into 3 categories. They are pitch, bank, and power. And one instrument can provide us with more than one type of information at the same time. You will also remember that the 4 basic scenarios of instrument flight are climbs, turns, descents, and straight and level flight. All instrument flights are really just a combination of these situations. Using the instruments to determine pitch, power, and bank for each one of these scenarios will allow you to precisely fly the aircraft in any weather you might encounter. Let's finish up with one last FAA test question. Name the 4 fundamentals involved in maneuvering an aircraft. A, power, pitch, bank, and trim. B, thrust, lift, turns, and glides. C, straight and level flight, turns, climbs, and descents. Your answer? C, straight and level flight, turns, climbs, and descents. All right, this wraps up lesson number 3 in your commercial pilot studies on flight instruments. And as you can tell, a lot of this is review from private and from instrument flying. However, next step for you now, go study the test questions, get a good grade, and I'll see you next time. I'm Dave Selesky for ASA.